Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lily on ukulele. First, let's dive into the fundamental chords you'll need. We'll cover the 4 main chords that form the backbone of the song. Then, we'll explore a simple yet effective strumming pattern. By the end, you'll be well on your way to playing this beautiful tune with confidence and ease. Let's break down the essential chords for Lily. You'll primarily use C, G, a minor, and F. For the C chord, place your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. For G, use your 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers on the 2nd, 3rd, and 2nd frets respectively. A minor uses your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and F uses your 1st and 2nd fingers on the 1st and 2nd frets. Practice these shapes until they feel natural. Now let's master the strumming pattern for Lily. A simple and effective pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Focus on keeping your wrist relaxed and your strumming hand consistent. Try to maintain a steady tempo, counting 1, 2, 3, 4 in your head. Start slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Remember, consistency is key to a smooth and flowing sound. You've learned the chords and the strumming pattern, now it's time to put it all together. Start by playing the chord progression with the strumming pattern, focusing on smooth transitions. Don't be afraid to slow down if needed. Regular practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes each day, will make a huge difference. Soon, you'll be confidently playing Lily on your ukulele, enjoying every note. Keep practicing and have fun with your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.